Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Microwave Drawer New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best microwave drawer in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this microwave drawer, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Smeta 1.6 Coup FT over-the-range microwave oven 31000W with hidden / 2-speed vent, bottom light, eco mode, safe child lock, stainless steel, auto cook menu. Used for instant settings of popular daily use such as pizza, potato, meat, reheat, popcorn, beverage, veggies, cheese, ice cream, butter, and reheat. External dimension W*D*H 29.8 817.6 316.88 inches. Internal dimension W*D*H 21.29 14.64 10.15 inches. Vent fan and light control. The oven can be used as a range hood. When it is turned on, the fan motor starts filtering out smoke, odors, and grease generated from cooking. Light is designed for the convenience of doing things outside the oven. 3 defrost modes. 1 lb defrost, time defrost, and weight defrost. Kids meals. Select type of food to reheat: chicken nuggets, hot dogs, fresh fries, frozen sandwiches.
Top 9.
Sharp SMC 1585 PS 1.5 Coup FT microwave oven with convection cooking in stainless steel. SMC 1585 PS 1.5 Coup FT microwave oven with convection cooking, auto defrost, popcorn and beverage settings, and
Top 8.
Frigidaire FPMO 3077 TF Professional 30 built-in convection microwave oven with drop-down door, stainless steel. 1.6 Coup FT capacity 1750 watts, 9 power levels, drop-down door.
Top 7.
ZLINE 24 built-in convection microwave oven in stainless steel with speed and sensor cooking. Kitchen timer feature. Don't lose track of cook times with the precision timer feature with a crystal clear LCD display. Ceramic made and reversible turntable. The turntable can turn clockwise or counterclockwise and is constructed from
Top 6.
Sharp 24 in 1.2 Coup FT Sharp EOT Plus Easy Wave Open stainless steel convection microwave drawer. Complements your style: elegant, low-profile design, concealed, touch glass controls, discreet branding, black glass, and stainless steel finish, bright.
Top 5.
ZLINE 24 1.2 Coup FT built-in microwave drawer in black stainless steel. Easy to use screen display and touchscreen controls, 11 power levels, melt feature, worry-free melting of butter, marshmallows, chocolate and cheese, 2-year parts warranty, popcorn and defrost options.
Top 4.
Cosmo 12 MWDSS 24-in. Built-in microwave drawer with automatic presets, touch controls, defrosting rack, and 1.2 Cu. FT capacity in stainless steel. 1000 watts of power. With 11 power levels, cook meals with precise control and delicious results. Convenient presets. 4 automatic cooking options, including melt, soften, popcorn and beverage. Smart defrosting. Effective defrosting with a wait or timed option. Defrosting rack included for added convenience. 1-year limited parts. Our customer support team is based proudly in the USA. Exterior dimensions: 23.8 W x 24.
Top 3.
ZLINE 24 1.2 Cu FT. Built-in microwave drawer in stainless steel. 11 power levels, easy-to-use screen display and touchscreen controls, melt feature, worry-free melting of butter, marshmallows, chocolate and cheese, 24-in, WX25-in, DX14-in, H, 120V/60HC.
Top 2.
Bosch HMD 8451 of 824 stainless steel microwave drawer. 950 cooking watts. 10 power levels, automatic sensor programs. Touch open/close. LCD white display.
Top 1.
Sharp SMD 2489 Ease 24 low T microwave drawer with 1.2 Cu. FT capacity 950 watts. 11 power levels, edge-to-edge black glass in stainless steel. Concealed, touch glass controls with dampened drop-down panel opens at an easy-to-read and operate 45 deg angle. Built-in airflow control for cabinet flush mounting. Modern edge-to-edge black glass design 24 width. 1.2 Cu FT cavity, 950 watts, 120 volts, 15 amps, 60 HC. Frequency: 11 power level, control lock, and demo mode.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.